Hi, I'm Barbara Schmalz with Solid Health Insurance Services, and I want to provide my customers the best possible health insurance and life insurance, which is still at a very affordable price. Most important between my customers and me is that we both trust each other. When someone comes to me, we figure out what is a possible rate, but then we have to get very personal. So I'm saying, what's your date of birth and what kind of medication are you taking, and if you're thinking if you have any health problems. I would say 99% of my clients will most likely say I'm totally healthy. What healthy means for the insurance is so different than what you think. If you take two medication, the insurance industry really thinks, you know what, you're not healthy. And a lot of people taking antidepressant now, especially in this bad economy. So when insurance hears antidepressants, you're almost not insurable. If I figure out that you cannot be insured, I right away tell you upfront we might have a problem. And so this will be talked about, and then we give you also options what we can do. How much risk are you willing to take? Do you like to go constantly to the doctor, or are you fine to go only 3 to 5 times to the doctor? Depending on your needs, we can find which plans fit best to you. So there's a lot of great plans, but they're saying we limit the doctor visits. So once you meet these doctor visits, then you have to pay deductible. What is a deductible? It's really the money they're taking upfront from you. And what is an out-of-pocket maximum? After you reach the deductible, there is another payment where you have a co-payment till you get the out-of-pocket maximum. Most plans have now an out-of-pocket maximum of $5,000 up to $10,000. So it's very important to understand all these little steps of your need. So if you would go on the internet, I don't think you're really getting all this information. An insurance agent like me will guide you through the process. If you're starting to retire with 65 and you're so lucky to get into Medicare, because as of now Medicare is a perfect plan, there is a whole new plan and whole new description. We have to explain you what a supplemental plan is, what are the plans from A to F, then what is a drug prescription plan, and all this information you can get with me. And I'm also authorized to sell AARP products, which is a very, very good Medicare carrier. AARP in conjunction with United Healthcare is bestseller with the most affordable prices. So I can sell this to you, or we can look what is Blue Shield offering, what is Anthem offering. We give you side-by-side comparison. And once we have figured out your Medicare information and we have settled that, then we also look sometimes into long-term care. In all honesty, if you're 65, long-term care is already very, very expensive. So it would make much more sense to go to my clients, and I do this, clients who are turning 50. Their long-term care is very, very affordable still. So these 10 years difference make it very expensive. So this is what I'm doing. First we find out your health insurance, then we see if your life insurance is okay. Then I can look at my clients' car insurance, home insurance, to make sure that all your assets are protected. I can show you all the plans from all the carriers. Whereas I was before a farmer's agent, I could give you only one product to show. And this just is not what I believe in. I believe in free competition, and you should have all the choices. Nevertheless, I have relationship with farmers, with State Farm, and other carriers, so I can help you to make sure you have the best choice. My biggest forte is the small business, and actually my small business is a little bit different defined than other people's small business. I have groups from 2 to 20, and I also have sometimes families who can't get insured, but maybe the wife has a business and we can figure out a way to insure you as a group insurance. Prices on group insurance are more expensive than individual insurance. A lot of people don't know this. And the reason for it is that they have maternity coverage and they have no pre-existing condition. We run all the comparison and we're trying to fit the budget, and that's the most important for a small business, is how much can I spend. In regards to the healthcare reform, everything is right now in change, and that's the reason why you have to have me to help you and guide you through the whole new plans there are. What is grandfathering means, why do I have to go into a new plan? We're expecting to have rate increases in the next year of 30%, which is really, really high. And so you as a small business owner need to figure out, okay, my budget is this and we have to fit your budget. So most likely you will lose your old plans because you can't offer what you have offered before. But this is what we have to figure out. We figure out your budget and then we run everyone there is, from United Healthcare to Aetna to Anthem to Kaiser, and we fit it to your company's need. You will have in group insurance coming forward on new plans, no more limits for health insurance. You will have preventive care without cost to you. You will be able to insure your 26-year-old child, but I still tell you that it most likely is cheaper to have him on individual insurance. And I will guide you through this to find the best insurance at the best prices for you. I also represent AFLAC, which has cancer protection plans and accidents plans, which can help to offset the deductibles and out-of-pocket maximum. And this is the whole thing, it's solid. My plan is to have a solid insurance around your family, your business, and your personal property.